Hey guys, all the products you see in this video can be found in the description down below. Today we have this 200 pack of 2-ounce cups and lids, and I'll tell you my favorite thing about this in just a second, but first some things you need to know. First of all, this comes with a huge amount of cups. There's 200 cups, 200 lids. They're 2 ounces each. Let me show you what they look like. So first of all, guys, these cups look very nice. They're 2 ounces and they're very, very sturdy. It's the first thing I've noticed about these cups is they're sturdy. That took me a lot of pressure to squish down on that, guys. I've seen other cups where you get them and you're like, oh, that's so easy to squish down on, and like all your sauce comes out, or whatever you're keeping in there. The lids are also high quality. They're perfectly shaped to fit the cups. One thing about the lids, guys, is they are a little bit harder to put on than most lids on some of the similar cups. But once you get the lids on these things, they are not coming off. And that is a nice thing. I'd kind of rather err that way than the other way, because I've put cups that are similar to this in bags of food before, and you get home and yeah, your sauce isn't in the cup anymore, right? So I kind of appreciate that it's a little bit tougher to put the lid on, and the fact that it's gonna keep your stuff in there gives me confidence to use these cups more often. My favorite thing about it, guys, just has to be, like I said before, the sturdiness of it. These take a lot more pressure to squish. They're not flimsy like other cups are, and this is the fact that it comes with 200 of these, and they're 2 ounces. There's plenty of room for whatever you want to put in here, guys, and I just highly recommend this product. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, please subscribe. I appreciate it a ton. Have a good day, guys.